Hello. In this video, I will walk you through my top 5 recommendations of things you should do to be successful in Math 121. Here's the first thing. Log into Canvas every single day. In this 8-week course, it's really important that at least 5 days a week, you're logging into Canvas, making sure that you are aware of the upcoming due dates and making sure that you're keeping up with your assignments and learning new material each day. Here's one of the best ways to make sure that you stay up to date on all the announcements, due dates, and assignments. If you look in our Canvas course, there is a way for you to have notifications pushed to your mobile device. If you click on the account icon in the left-hand navigation bar in Canvas, this is where you might see your own icon. Maybe you've uploaded a photo, and you click on notifications. You can have announcements, grades, you can have assignment due dates, you can have all kinds of things pushed to your mobile phone or to your iPad so you never miss anything during the next 8 weeks. Here's how you'll set that up. So what you want to do is you want to go to the modules, and underneath MCC Student Resources, first thing you'll need to do is download the Canvas Student app. So if you don't yet have the Canvas Student app on your mobile phone or on your iPad, highly recommend you install the Canvas Student app. Once you have the Canvas Student app, then you can set up your notifications in Canvas. This slideshow will walk you through the steps. So this is the way that you're going to have your notifications pushed to your device. So here are the steps. You can have them emailed to you, or you can have them directly pushed to your device, just like you would if you had a text message come through or a private message come through on Instagram. You can do the same thing and have push notifications for Canvas. So this slideshow will walk you through the steps. I recommend you choose announcements, grades, submission comments, and then you could also put anything else such as due dates, any other choices that you want. You can have those pushed to your email, push notifications, whatever you choose. So definitely go ahead and go through this slideshow so you can figure out how to have that set up on your device. If you have any questions at all, the wonderful analysts in the Thunderbird Tech Studio will be happy to help you. All you have to do is click on their link. You can meet them in person on campus, or you can do a live chat with an analyst who can help you with setting up your notifications. So once you make sure that you're logging into Canvas all the time, that'll help you stay up to date on all your announcements, due dates, and assignments. There was one other thing I wanted to show you about how you could keep track of your assignments. When you are in Canvas, there's 2 other places to look. In the to-do list, it will tell you, you will get a view of some of the assignments that are coming up in the short term, so like kind of in the week ahead. So you can see the due dates for assignments that are coming up, and you can even use these links to click on them. Once you submit them, they will disappear from your to-do list, and then the assignments for the next week will populate, or you can cross them off as you work them. The other place that you could look is in the Canvas calendar. What's really nice about the Canvas calendar is if you're taking more than one class, you can color code them in the calendar so that when you see your assignments, each color will represent one of your courses. So I would recommend every weekend kind of looking at your week ahead and seeing what assignments are due for all your classes, and then also fitting in all the other responsibilities you have. Maybe you have work responsibilities or family obligations or social commitments. Then you can kind of look at what is due this week, and then you can plan your time accordingly to make sure that you have time to manage all of your responsibilities. So the Canvas calendar is a great tool as well. All right, step 2, let's meet. Hey, this is an online class, but it doesn't mean it's just you and your computer working in isolation. You can connect virtually with me, I'm your instructor, or with other classmates during virtual student hours that I will host once or twice a week. So these are ways for us to connect, so you can ask questions on the material. I can go over some example problems with you. I can kind of give you an overview of what to expect to learn that week. But it's really nice just to be able to check in get some real-time instruction from your instructor and also hear the opinions of your other classmates. I can ask you guys questions and we can take turns solving problems. It's a really great way to connect. Even though we are in an online class, we can still connect virtually over the summer, no matter where we are. As long as we have our laptop and a Wi-Fi connection, we can make it work. So here's how you will access those virtual student hours. So if you're back in the calendar, you'll notice once or twice a week, you will see a link for the virtual student hour. I'll try to vary the times each week and vary the days. I'll also get your feedback on if there's certain days or times that work for people, but it'll be in my WebEx link and you can literally just connect and we can go over some of the questions that you might have on the assignments for that week. So let's go back and take a look at other ways you can access the virtual student hours. If you look in the left-hand navigation bar, I have the link for the WebEx for my virtual office hours. You can also see them on your to-do list. I just want to give you a quick overview or a quick preview of what that might look like. So underneath Math Help in the modules, where it says Getting Help from Your Instructor and Tutor Services, I have a brief summary of what you can expect. So if you connect live during virtual student hours, we can see each other via our webcams. You can participate as we solve problems. Become an active learner when you join these sessions. Ask questions, answer questions. Follow along as I'm working through the problems with you. I really hope to see you at an upcoming session, and this is what you can experience. So you can see all your classmates and myself, who I will be the host, and you can see what I'm writing either underneath my doc camera, or I can pull up an online whiteboard to show you how to solve the problems. We can chat with each other to ask questions, or you can turn on your camera and your audio and you can just speak your questions. But hopefully you'll find a way to attend these sessions so you can ask questions and get all your questions answered. Little spoiler alert, if you attend these sessions and you are an active participant, meaning you follow the guidelines in these bullets right here, you can earn 1% extra credit for the next upcoming exam. You'll find more information about that extra credit in the syllabus, but I really hope that you'll plan on attending some of these throughout the next 8 weeks. All right, the next thing I really hope that you take advantage of kind of goes along the lines with the virtual student hours, but get help from other resources that you have available to you. You have MCC virtual tutors. Those are tutors who work on the Mesa Community College campus, but they will meet with you virtually. You can go in person and get tutoring, or you can use BrainFuse. So let me show you what those options are. So if we are in the same module that we were in before, underneath Math Help, we have BrainFuse and we have Math Tutoring. So BrainFuse is really nice because it is a service you have access to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So these are math tutors that we contract with that are in all different time zones. That's why they're able to meet with you 24/7. You get 10 free hours up front. If you need more hours, all you have to do is contact me. But when you click on the link for BrainFuse, you just choose math for your topic, choose your level, and this is a summary of what level you'll choose. So for MAT121, you'll choose college algebra, and you can meet or chat. You can meet live using your camera, or you can just chat with a live tutor who can help you on the other end work through your assignment. So it's a really great tool that you have access to for free just because you are an MCC student. Your other option is our MCC math tutors. So you can come on campus. Here's the hours of operations for the summer, or you can use virtual tutoring. So the virtual tutoring center is really great because when they are open, they're not open right now when I'm making this video, but when they are open, all the tutors that are available, their icon will show green and it'll show that they are online and they are ready to answer a question. So whoever is showing as green, you can just click on their tile and their webcam will pop up, your webcam will pop up, or if you just want to chat or just use your audio, that's fine. But you can connect with one of our amazing MCC math tutors from the comfort of your own home, your favorite coffee shop, anywhere that you have access to Wi-Fi. So look at all these tutors that could possibly be available to help you. So it's a really great tool. I hope you take advantage of it this semester during the summer. All right, So you can also meet with your classmates if you wanted to use tools like Google Meets or other tools that we have available, WebEx, all kinds of things. You can meet with other classmates as well. Here is a summary of hours. So each week I will vary the student hours where we can meet. So you want to check the Canvas calendar for those. The MCC math tutors for the summer are available Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday from 9 to 5. And then, like I said, you can organize your own study groups once you make some connections in the discussion boards with your classmates. You can use Google Meets. You can go to the tutoring center in person. You can use one of the study rooms in the library. There's all kinds of ways for you guys to meet. All right, the next thing I highly recommend is to make a schedule. So, like I said, every week you really want to write down what you have due that week and when you're going to accomplish all the work that you need to do for your assignments. When are you going to carve out time in your week to complete your assignments? So if you notice on the home page of our Canvas course, I have a brief video where I walk you through a weekly routine, and it's a cycle. And if you repeat the cycle every week, you'll make sure that you're not missing any assignments, and you'll make sure that you're completing all your assignments on time. So I highly recommend you watch this weekly routine video and get an idea of what you're going to be prepared for each week. And then if you want some more information about creating a weekly schedule, here's a quick video I have that explains the benefits of using a weekly schedule each week. And then here's some templates you can use. So I really hope you take advantage of the resources at this website. Not only do you want to plan your study time, but you also have to plan for real life. All the other things that you have in your life, like I said, work commitments, family commitments, social commitments, eating, showering, exercising, all those things, and try not to overcommit. So take a look at all your responsibilities for the week and be realistic with what you can accomplish successfully. All right, so after you've made a schedule for the week, I would just say make sure that you continue to stay connected. Like I said, reach out to your classmates through the discussion boards, reach out to me. You can send me a message in Canvas. You can meet with me in the virtual student hours. And also, there's so many tutors that are available to help you. So I hope you utilize all of these resources that we have for you. I'm excited to spend the next 8 weeks during our summer session, and let's do this.